Hi, I'm Derek Bissen, and in this video, we're going to be covering the items needed to qualify for our private client portfolio program. This program was designed for high net worth individuals and well-qualified applicants. We're going to divide the information into 4 different categories: income, assets and reserves, other, and transaction-specific items. Let's get started. The first category is income. You'll provide your tax returns, your personal federal income tax returns for the most recent 2 tax years. If you're self-employed, which is very common under this program, and you file a separate business return, such as an 1120S or a 1065, be sure to provide those returns for the same 2 tax years. And if you don't file tax returns, or perhaps you've recently sold a business, be sure to let your loan originator know this. The second category is assets and reserves. This loan program is designed for well-qualified applicants, so the more liquid assets you're able to show, the better. You'll provide your bank statements for the most recent 2 months, such as checking, savings, money market, etc. Now, if you have retirement accounts, such as an IRA, a 401k, or perhaps a SEP IRA, be sure to provide the most recent quarterly statement and the withdrawal terms. By the way, you can usually find the withdrawal terms in the same website where you download the quarterly statement, or you can consult your wealth advisor. The third category is the other category, and these are items that are common to most home loan types. You'll provide a photo ID, such as a valid driver's license or state-issued ID. If you've had a prior derogatory housing event, such as a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a short sale, or a deed in lieu, that doesn't necessarily preclude you from qualification under this program, but we will need additional items for qualification purposes. If it was a bankruptcy, provide all paperwork as well as the discharge. If it was a foreclosure, provide the full court order. Or if it was a short sale or deed in lieu of foreclosure, provide a fully executed copy of the closing statement. If you've been in a prior marriage or marriages in the last 10 years, be prepared to provide a copy of the full divorce decree and the marital settlement agreement. If you have additional real estate holdings, such as a primary residence, a vacation home, an investment property, or even raw land, for each of them, be prepared to provide the following items: your most recent mortgage statement, or if you own it free and clear, be sure to provide a deed showing there's no lien. Provide a property tax bill, the most recent homeowner's insurance policy declarations, and if there's a homeowners association affiliated with the property, be sure to provide proof of the dues. By the way, are you selling your old home before the new one closes? If that's the case, consult your loan originator and provide them with a copy of the sales contract for that home. And then when it's ready to close, provide them with an executed copy of the closing disclosure. The fourth and final category is the transaction-specific category, and those are going to be items that are, as the name implies, specific to your real estate transaction. Let's cover them. When you go under contract, provide your lender with the executed sales contract and all addendums. The earnest money deposit, that was the check or wire that you sent to the title company after you went under contract. Now, after the, check has cleared your account, simply log into your online banking, download a front and back copy of the check, and a 30-day activity statement showing the items cleared your balance. And finally, provide your lender with a homeowner's insurance quote that you want to use for this home within the first 2 weeks of going under contract. The sooner, the better. And that's it. Now, as a bonus for sticking around to this video, I've included a link in the description below for our private client portfolio resource page. When you hit the page, simply head over to the right-hand side and look for a button that says Download Document Checklist. Simply click the button and it'll load up a copy of a document checklist that'll cover all of the items that we discussed in this video today. And that's it. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you'd like more information about the Private Client Portfolio Program, again, be sure to click on the link in the description below for the Private Client Portfolio resource page. You'll find a wealth of great information there. And of course, we'd love to answer any questions you might have as well. If you'd like more mortgage-related content, consider subscribing to the channel. We would love to have you. And of course, if you're looking to purchase, refinance, or get pre-approved to purchase a home anywhere in the Greater Tampa Bay Area, any of its surrounding communities, or really just anywhere in the state of Florida, we would love the opportunity to assist you. And of course, if you've made it this far in business, it's not because you took no for an answer. So stop letting these banks and credit unions tell you no when we have more reasons to say yes. Thanks again for watching. I'm Derek Bissen, and this is Unconventional Lending.